Hello, Walt Williams, Suncoast RV Rental in Tampa, Florida again, and today I'm here to introduce you to the newest member of our fleet, and that is a Chateau 31 EV. Now, don't ask me why they called it an EV. They didn't bother to check with me because it is not an electric vehicle. In fact, it still operates on gas, just like any other most C-Class RVs, but it is on a Ford E450 chassis, but it's a 2004 model year. You can see it's a beautiful coach. It is 31 feet. It is a bunkhouse style, which you'll see when we go inside. It has a full-length awning along with some evening atmosphere lighting underneath for enjoying the starlight nights. It has storage front, propane tank, more storage. As I said, it does operate on gas. It is not an electric vehicle. You do have quite a bit of storage in the rear, in addition to the other compartments that I showed you. And you have more storage on the other side, along with your sewage tanks, your generator service. This is a fully equipped unit. It does have its onboard water tank, sewage tank, generators, so you can boondock or still have all the comforts of home. So let's go on inside. Now we do have the slide out in the out position, so this is how you'd view it if you were actually already on station and camping. See how roomy it is. You have the bunk overhead above the cockpit, passenger and driver area. As I said, it is on a Ford, so most driving features are going to be very convenient and familiar with you. It does have data information, so you can know what your tire pressures are, how far to before empty, and so forth. The ladder, as I've said in some of my videos before, I do like the new style ladder that is collapsible because it is so easy to stow in the back compartment as compared to the full-length ladders that were not collapsible. It was always a hassle trying to find out where to store those. They have finally gone to putting Amazon Fire TVs in coaches. I've been asking for that for years. They're only about 10 years behind the times, but they're finally upgrading to the Amazon Fire TVs. As we said, we have the dinette, certainly large enough for four, also collapses to a bed. Come over here, you have the living room sofa, which jackknifes into another bed. And then we walk into the kitchen area. This is another feature that they've changed for this year going into 2024. As I said, this is a rental unit. We rent this because we always want to make sure that we rent you the best. And I like this graded sink cover. It's nice and durable, rolls up for easy storage, easy to drain, and the nicest thing that I like is that it doesn't, it's not particle board, so it doesn't absorb the water and moisture and explode over time. You have your kitchen power tower, so you can plug in and charge your mobile devices, as well as plug in your kitchen appliances, toaster, coffee pot, 3-burner propane stove. And as I've said, we generally upgrade our units where possible with ovens, because we found upon resale, we find people are very particular about wanting an oven versus a microwave or convection oven. Now this is, as I said, the slide out in the open position. So again, you have a collapsible ladder that serves as the upper bunk. Each bunk also has a little notepad holder, so everybody can put their notepads or iPads up there for streaming, as well as a charging port. And you do have a walk-through restroom area that goes straight into the bedroom. The bedroom does have a full-size queen bed. There's your closet where you can, it is large enough to hang clothes in it, and that's where the ladders store. Little vanity. Now, of course, you need this walk-through through the bathroom, because when you're in travel mode, the slide out comes in. It does block this, it does block the hallway, because the slide out comes all the way in, almost to the wall. So if you want to get to the back to take a nap while you're driving, or while somebody else is driving, you can access that back. The shower, I like that little shelf they put in there. That's really neat. But it is a full-size shower with a nice skylight, and so that if the night's not too hot, you do have a vent in both the back bedroom, master suite, as well as in the overhead bunk. So you won't necessarily have to run the air conditioning and the generator in a nice cool night. But this is the Chateau 31 EV. It is now in our rental fleet. This is model 2024, because we do keep our units, you know, as late model as possible. It is available for rent. And then also, if you've already decided that the RV lifestyle is for you, then we refleet our vehicles about every 2 years. So feel free to give us a call for the best deals on used RVs that are usually in exceptional condition, and typically better than off the assembly line, because we've already taken care of the warranty issues for you. Okay. Again, that's Walt Williams, Suncoast RV Rental in Tampa, Florida, introducing the new Chateau 31 EV, and this will sleep up to 9 people between the queen size bed in the back, the bunks, the drop down dinette, the jackknife sofa, and the double bunk area, depending on how large your children are. Okay. Again, live in the adventure with the Suncoast RV Rental.